Hey, welcome back to Resource Rundown. I'm Mary, Nicole's AI agent, and if you're new here, this channel is about giving you practical, no fluff tools you can actually use today.
And I am Nicole. In this video, we're breaking down the top 10 free AI tools for beginners in 2026. I mean completely free, no credit card required, no trial that expires in 7 days. AI tool overwhelm is real. I know because I hear it constantly. People say, I don't even know where to start. So today we're starting somewhere. 10 tools, honest takes, real examples. Let's get into it.
Before we jump in, here's why this matters. ChatGPT alone has over 400 million weekly users. That number keeps climbing. But here's the stat that got me. Nearly 70% of beginners who try an AI tool quit within the first week. Not because the tools are bad, but because they didn't know what to do with them.
That's what this video fixes. We're going to match you with the right tool for the right job. Simple as that. A few quick numbers to ground us before the tool list. The generative AI market hit around $184 billion in 2024, with projections topping $1 trillion by 2030. 1 in 3 workers globally now uses AI tools on a weekly basis. All major platforms now offer genuinely capable free plans. This isn't a bait and switch situation. The 10 tools. Tool 1, ChatGPT, the Swiss Army knife. And honestly, it earns its reputation. I call it the Swiss Army knife because it does a little bit of everything pretty well. You can use ChatGPT to draft emails, generate blog ideas, summarize articles, help with homework, write resumes, get coding help. The list goes on. It's genuinely flexible, and the free tier now uses GPT-4o, which is their more advanced model. The free tier caps your messages per day. It resets every 24 hours, so if you hit the wall, come back tomorrow or try Claude or Gemini in the meantime.
When I was stuck writing a client proposal at 11 p.m., I typed, "Write a professional email declining a meeting. Keep it warm and under 3 sentences." Done in 15 seconds. That's the energy.
Try this prompt. Write a type of document for audience. My main point is X, keep it tone and no longer than length. Tool 2, Claude the Deep Thinker. Next up, Claude. This one is my personal go-to when I need to think through something complex. Claude tends to be more nuanced than ChatGPT, especially on longer material. Drop in a long document, a messy draft, or even a rough set of notes and ask Claude to make sense of it. It's excellent for structured analysis, long form writing, and anything where you need careful reasoning rather than quick answers. There's a daily usage cap on the free tier. Claude handles longer context windows than most free tools, which means you can paste a lot more text before it gets confused.
I paste my rough outlines and say, "Here are my notes. Make this flow better and flag any logic gaps." It gives me a polished second draft in under a minute.
Try this prompt. Here is my rough draft. Paste your text. Please rewrite this so it flows better. Fix any logic gaps and keep my original voice. Tool 3, Gemini, the Google Insider.
If you live inside Google, Gmail, Docs, Drive, Gemini is going to feel like magic. It's Google's AI assistant, and it's deeply woven into the tools you already use. Gemini can search the web in real time, summarize Gmail threads, help you write in Google Docs, and pull research from current sources. That last part matters. It's not frozen in time the way some tools are. The basic Gemini tier is generous and free. The deep Google Workspace integration, like AI inside Gmail and Docs, requires a Google One AI Premium plan for full features.
Inside Gmail, look for the Gemini icon. Click it and type. Summarize this thread and draft a polite reply. It reads the whole email chain and responds in your tone.
Try this prompt. Search the web and give me a summary of, include your topic, with the most current information available.
Tool 4, Canva AI, the non-designer's best friend.
Need a graphic and you're not a designer? Canva AI closes that gap fast.
Graphics, social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, no design skills needed.
Hundreds of free templates. AI features like Magic Write have monthly limits.
Type your topic into Magic Design and Canva generates a full branded presentation in seconds. Try this prompt. Include your type of graphic about your topic in the style mood you prefer. Include that. Use add your desired color palette if possible.
Tool 5. Perplexity AI, the citation machine. When you need an answer, you can actually back up with a source. This is the one.
Getting fact-checked answers with live sources, ideal when you need to cite information.
Unlimited standard searches. 5 pro searches.
Ask, what are the latest statistics on remote work burnout in 2026? Include sources. Then click each link.
Try this prompt. What are the latest statistics on? Add your topic. Include sources.
Tool 6, NotebookLM, your personal AI librarian.
This one is different from the rest. It only answers from what you upload, so it won't wander off and make things up from the open internet.
Upload your own PDFs, docs, or notes and ask AI questions only from those materials. 100 notebooks up to 50 sources each. Fully free, no paid tier needed.
Upload your study guide or business plan. Then ask, what are the 3 biggest risks mentioned here? Try this prompt. Based only on the documents I uploaded, what are the 3 biggest risks or gaps?
Tool 7, Otter.ai, your meeting note taker. If you attend meetings or do interviews, Otter.ai is going to save you significant time every single week. It's an AI transcription tool that turns spoken audio into searchable, shareable text.
Good for meeting transcriptions, interview recordings, lecture notes, podcast episode transcripts. Otter can join Zoom and Google Meet calls automatically and send you a summary afterward.
300 minutes of transcription per month on the free plan. Summaries and keyword highlights are included, roughly 5 hours of audio, enough for most casual users. Real tip, after a client call, upload the recording and ask Otter to pull out action items. You get a formatted list in seconds instead of scrolling through your notes for 20 minutes. Try this prompt. After transcription, pull out all action items and decisions from this meeting and list them by person responsible.
Tool 8. Gamma decks in under 2 minutes.
Need a quick slide deck but don't want to spend 3 hours in PowerPoint? Gamma is an AI presentation builder that goes from prompt to polished slides in under 2 minutes.
Good for first drafts of pitch decks, training presentations, meeting agendas, or anytime you need something visual fast. Free plan includes limited exports and Gamma branding. Paid plan removes the watermark and unlocks more AI credits. Type your topic in 1 sentence and hit generate, but please, edit it before you share it. AI layouts are a starting point, not a final product.
Try this prompt. Create a presentation about add your topic for include your audience. Include the number of slides. Focus on your key angle or message. Tool 9, CapCut AI video for the rest of us.
If you are creating any video content, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or just internal training videos, CapCut AI is one of the most accessible free tools available right now.
Good for auto captions, background removal, AI video templates, text to video, voiceover generation, and short form content editing. It's built for people who are not professional video editors.
Most features are free with a CapCut watermark on exports. Removing the watermark requires a paid plan. Start with auto captions on your very next video. It's the single fastest win in the whole app.
Tool 10, ElevenLabs. Bonus, give your content a voice.
And your bonus tool, the one I personally use to record voiceovers for videos just like this one.
Good for realistic text to speech and voice cloning. Turn a written script into natural sounding narration without ever picking up a microphone.
10,000 characters per month free, enough to test it out on a couple of short scripts.
Paste in a script, pick a voice, and generate. It's how creators without a home studio still sound professional.
10 tools is a lot, so let me simplify.
For writing, start with ChatGPT or Claude. Try both, they're free. For research, Perplexity AI, the citations alone are worth it. For design, Canva AI, you'll use it every single week. For video, CapCut AI, start with auto captions on your next video. For voice and narration, ElevenLabs, paste a script, get a voice.
Pick one tool today. Spend 15 minutes with it. That's all it takes to get started.
All right, that's your top 10 free AI tools for beginners in 2026. No fluff, no affiliate links, no pressure. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one tool from this list right now, not all 10. One, open it, spend 10 minutes. That's it. That's how AI actually changes your life. One small start that builds into a real habit. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It tells me to keep making content like this. Subscribe to Resource Rundown for a new AI tool guide every week. And drop in the comments below. Which tool are you trying first? I read every single one.
Until next time, take care of yourself and keep learning.